Hey, and welcome back. In today's video, we'll be reviewing a tool that can optimize all of your YouTube videos, giving you more views, subscribers, and further outreach. I am, of course, talking about Taja. This YouTube content tool can create viral titles, accurate descriptions with timestamps, add relevant tags to the video, create AI-generated thumbnails, analyze your channel, create short form clips from your long form video, and you can even upload those clips to your social media platforms. I actually bought Taja about a year ago and refunded it because it was too basic and had bugs. Having tried it again recently, I'm amazed at how far it's come. You can truly tell that the founder and the team care about this product and want to see it succeed. So let's get down to the good stuff. So just before we get down into the features of Taja, let's talk about the pricing. And at the moment, you can grab Taja on Appsumo for a lifetime deal. So there are 4 plans, and for tier 1, you get title generations, description, chapters, hashtags, and thumbnail ideas generation. And for that, you get 4 videos per month. So if you're a small content creator, you'd probably want this. The more kind of videos you have or create, you'd want to go up in the plans. Now, the best deal is tier 4, where you get unlimited everything. And if you create more than 3 or 4 videos per week, you'd want to go for this because you get unlimited thumbnail idea generation. So that'll create AI generated thumbnails. And you might want to go through multiple title generations or descriptions to get the right one. So for me, this is fundamental. And if you'd like to pick up Taja, I will leave a link in the description below. It is affiliated, which does mean that I'll earn a small commission when you buy Taja, but that's at no extra cost to you and it will be much appreciated. So when you first sign up for Taja or sign in, you'll be greeted with this kind of dashboard screen, and there are a few sections here where you can go to different areas. So the first part you come to is Optimize Now. And here you can just paste in your YouTube video and it will generate shorts for you. And then down here, you can drop your files in here or import them from your device, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, Facebook, and OneDrive. So I'm just uploading a video that I have stored on my laptop. And once this is uploaded, you'll basically be able to generate content for this video with AI. So below there are a few buttons that you can choose from. So first one is invite customers. So it's like a referral program where you can earn money. And next up, we've got Backlog Boost. And if I click here, it will show all the YouTube channels that you've added. And I've already added mine here. So if I click Analyze, it has my YouTube banner and profile picture here, the subscribers, the amount of views that I've had across all the videos. And if I click here, it will take me to my YouTube channel. And thumbnail settings, if I click there, you'll have 2 options. You'll have version 1, which is no extracted faces, and version 2 with extracted faces. And this is a newish feature that they've added. And it says here, it includes face detection for more engaging thumbnails. So if you have a video that shows your face quite a bit or even a little bit through the video, you might want to choose with extracted faces, because then when it generates a thumbnail, it will add your face in. So that's a really nice feature to have. And obviously for version 1, it won't add your face. So the AI would just generate a thumbnail based on your video. And if you click these 3 dots, you've got the option to link YouTube channel or delete it. Now, going a bit below, we have Overview, Next Video Generator, and Backlog Boost. So let's go over Overview first. Now, the AI has analyzed my channel and given me some tips and instructions on how to make it better, and basically kind of what my channel is about. So it's got here audience persona, around 25 to 40 years old, predominantly male, who are eager to optimize their productivity and stay ahead of the curve, and with the latest software tools. And that's exactly what this channel is about. And it's even got some description instructions about what I should use across my videos. And then it's got associated keywords, so I can add those to my channel, and associated topics that are from Wikipedia. And below that, we have your highest performing content. And if I click this button here, or just hover over it, it says the Taja score is our exclusive metric designed to give you a comprehensive view of your video performance. It combines key factors such as view rates, likes, and comments. This one I published 5 days ago, and Taja's given me a score of 100, and that seems to be my best generating video at the moment, or most popular one. And then I've got some other videos here which have got a lower score. So I can better that score, and I'll show you how in a minute. So if we go down, we've got top shorts, and I haven't got any generated at the moment, so that won't appear there. And then if we go back up to next video generator, just before we look at next video generator, I want to highlight weekly video ideas in your inbox. And Taja will actually email you video ideas for the week ahead. So it says here, scheduled for every Monday at 12:10 in Europe and London. That's where I'm located. And that can basically sort you out for the week for creating content. Also, just below tips to grow your channel, if I click here, determine the optimal video length for my videos, it will just analyze my channel data. So that took around 20 seconds to create this mini report that the AI has created for us. And it's just given us some highlights of the length of the videos that I should be creating for my audience and what best resonates with them. And it's even added a strategy below. It says 20 to 30 minutes, which I do sometimes even more. So this is just a good idea of what you need to aim for to get more viewers to come and have a look at your videos. Now, the next one we can look at is this button here. So analyze the difference between my best and worst videos. And if we click that, the AI will filter through your channel and find the best results. And here it's given us a report, and it's analyzed the difference between the best and worst videos. For instance, here it says your best videos are just trending, high demand topics such as AI tools, productivity that align with your audience's core interests. And that is quite true, because I do have productivity tools that I have reviewed and AI tools. So there's a few other bits and bobs here, but overall you'll get a good idea as to what kind of content your viewers want to see. Okay, so finally moving on to next video generator. And here it says get ideas for your next video, and this is a more newer feature that they've implemented in the last month or two. And there's a search box here where you can search for a keyword, and below that you've got the high volume and low competition keywords in your niche. And because my channel's already been analyzed, it's actually found these low competition keywords for the niche that my channel is about. So on each kind of text box here, it's got a score, the volume of this particular keyword, and the competition of it. So just for instance, it's for this one, review of Appsumo, it's got a score of 71, which is pretty high, and the volume, which could be based on per month perhaps, is 3006, which is not bad. Competition is 2, which to me that seems pretty low. And then if you look across for all of them, the scores are above 65, the volume's above 1500, and competition is no more than 2. And if I click this button, show all, it will give me more keywords that are relevant to my channel, or the channel that you have. And the competition goes up a bit. So there's 13, 16, and there's a lot of keywords here that you can use to reach out to your viewers and beat your competition. So if I click on one of these, for instance, Squirrely SEO Appsumo, it will say searching. And basically what that's done is it's pasted it into this box and automatically searched for keywords that are similar to this one. And now if we go down, it's done exactly that. So it's found Squirrely SEO Appsumo lifetime deal, Appsumo Squirrely SEO, and other keywords that relate to Squirrely. So this is a really nice feature here. Okay, moving on to Backlog Boost, and this actually gives you the chance to revive old videos that haven't got as many reviews as maybe they should. And what you can do is you can actually click on any of these videos here. Say for instance, I want to revive this video, and Taja's given me a score of 1, which actually was my first video, so it's not very great. So if I click here, it will take you to this screen. Okay, so it's actually analyzed this video and it's given me a bunch of information that I can use for this video, and it's optimized it to what it thinks would be best for YouTube. So first of all, it gives you a title. Now you can just copy this directly, and it says this AI tool finds your perfect customers, which is a lot better than the title that I have. And then it's given me a description of the video, which is pretty accurate from what I can tell. And what's really nice is it actually gives you the timestamps or chapters of the video. And I have checked this out, and these are actually more accurate than other tools that I've used. Now, below that, it's given you a bunch of tags that are supposedly relevant to the video. It's given you more than enough to choose from. And if you hover over one, it tells you the overall score, the monthly search volume, which is a nice addition to have, and the competition score. And you can just filter through these. You can delete one, you can add a tag, and it says here up to 500, which is the max you can add up to for YouTube. And going down the page, we have the titles, and it gives you 5 titles at a time with a rating of how good that title is or how popular it might be on YouTube. So you can just select the one that you want, and it will show it there in real time on the left. So if you don't like any of the titles, you just go to this regenerate button here, and it will give you 5 more new titles, and you can just go across if you want to see the previous ones. I quite like that one, so we'll just choose that for now. And if you go down a little bit, it will tell you the description like above, but here you can come in and just edit bits. You can delete the text if you need to. Also gives you some hashtags. The recommended amount is 2 to 3, so I wouldn't have all of these. And once again, you can regenerate a whole new description if you don't like this one. And then moving down a bit, we've got the tags again, but in an easy to read format. And you can actually just copy all these tags and paste them into the YouTube video area. And as we move down, it actually has the whole transcript here. And there's no real punctuation or anything here, but the AI is clever and will work out what goes where and what it all means. And then just below that, you can generate a thumbnail with AI. So if you have your face throughout the video, you can choose add faces from your video, but I don't for my videos at the moment, but I will soon because I have a new camera. And you can ask it to include captions, or you can toggle that off. So let's generate a AI generated thumbnail and see how it looks. Taja actually allows the AI to generate 3 thumbnails. They've definitely improved over the last year, but sometimes the text isn't quite right or it gives you a load of jumbled letters. But I don't know what model they are using, but I'm guessing it's Flux or something like that. I hope so anyway. You know, the better the AI models that come out, I'm sure Taja will update and you'll see better results. So this one's quite cool. Find your perfect customers. I quite like this one over here. I mean, you can tell it's AI generated, but if we generate another 3 and take off captions, and we'll see what the AI comes up with. And Taja's definitely improved its speed for generating content over the last year, which is really nice to see, because these 3 thumbnails literally took about 10 seconds to generate. And now they've generated some even better ones, and it's quite cool. It's actually captured Biz Reply AI on the computer screen, so that's really nice. And I'd probably choose this one, to be fair. And you can take this into Canva if you want, or use Taja's editing features. So I've just clicked on this thumbnail image. Now we're at the editing screen. So it's not quite Canva or a tool like that, but it has some basic editing options. Now, the first thing you can do is you can change the background color to anything you like. So if I wanted red, and that should change to red, but for some reason it's not allowing me to. So I don't know what's quite happened there, but that's something they probably need to look at. You can also upload your image or logo. So I could go to here. I've just added the image in, and you can, like Canva, you can send it to the back and change the positioning. You can make it smaller or larger. So that's quite a cool feature. I like the way you can just drag it from side to side to make life a lot easier. You can also add in text, choose from a varied amount of fonts. So let's add pop-ins. You can change the color, the background color, the text font size. You can make it bold. And to do that, you just add a text box, and then you'll get even more options. And you get this toolbar where you can adjust the background color, the text size, align it, and you can just type in anything here. Oh, I've got to click in the box. And it's not the smoothest part of Taja. I think this is something they can definitely work on, but it is there if you need to use it. But I'd rather take this into a tool like Canva or Vista, Create, and do it manually there. So just before we go to the next step, at the top here of the optimization screen or area, if you go to customize, you can add in some context, and this will just give the AI guidance on what you want the AI to generate for the video. So although it does a really good job, you might want some more specific content that the AI can generate for you. You can also choose from over 50 languages, so the AI will generate content for the language you choose. And there are some voice options, which is quite nice. So if I want it to be really over the top, uplifting, I can choose that. Clickbaity is always quite a good one for engagement. So it's nice to have those options, and to re-optimize the whole video, you can just click here. But I'm happy with the way it is now, so I'll go to next step. And at the moment, the video is being processed, and what it's currently doing is it's generating shorts from this long form video. So you could basically grab the shorts and you can upload them or schedule them to your social media platforms. And it says here, our model works best for talking videos, which is a given really. I can't imagine they would work very well for videos without any talking. Okay, so the generated shorts and clips is still at 0%, and I'm not sure why that is. Perhaps on the free trial version it takes longer, or there's some server issue or bug, but this could be something they could look at and hopefully fix quite soon. So I did actually optimize a video earlier, which says 2 hours ago, and if I go here, it will take me to the video optimization screen, and I've gone in and I've changed all this content, and the AI has done a really good job. And if I go to view repurposed content, it will now show me the shorts that it has generated from the long form video. And it says here we have found 5 shorts, and if I go down, it has a bunch of information and things you can do per shorts video. So the first thing you will notice, it's got a title and it says multi your new favorite URL tool, and it's got a hashtag shorts video, which is a really popular one to use. So on the left here you have the shorts video, and it's 36 seconds long, so I can preview it. Today we'll be reviewing a tool that you never knew you needed. The tool is called Multi. It's essentially a piece of software that allows you to create a and you can actually drag the URLs down. You can create if you don't want them where they are. And there's a text box here which you can just copy all this information, you can add to it or change it, and it's got the title, it's got the hashtags that it recommends. Obviously I don't think you'd want to add all of these in, and what's really nice is it's got watch the full video here. So that's a good way to send people to your video for more engagement. It's also given a score of how it thinks the video popularity will be when you upload it. So this video has got a score of 85, and then below that you've got some tags that it recommends or that's relevant to this shorts clip. And a lot of these you probably wouldn't use, but they're there for inspiration. And basically if you go down the page, it's got all the clips. Some of them even go up to 58 seconds. Now the best thing about this is you can actually go into any of these clips and you can edit the video. So if I just click edit, and it will take you to this screen. So the first thing you can do is under captions, and you can actually have the caption title on or off. So if it's off, it won't show that at the very beginning. And it's got all the caption for this video below that. And you can turn this off so it doesn't show. And you can basically click on any of the words and you can change the words. So if I wanted definitely instead, you could add that in, or you can delete the ones you don't want. Also down here, you can trim the video, but you can't split it. So it'd be nice to have a split in between there, but I'm sure they'll add some more AI features, such as ones you get in Minvo over time, but that's not predominantly what Taja is about. And if we move across to design, it's got some style templates, and some of these are ones that videos go viral for. So of course they've got karaoke, which is a really nice one, and I'd recommend that for most videos. And then you got Hormozy, who's a business entrepreneur, and his videos are very popular. Beast, I'm guessing that's Mr. Beast, and you've just got quite a few to choose from. And then you can change the text, add shadow, you can change the size. So sometimes you don't want it to be mega big, you can take it down a notch. It's essentially a piece of software. Then move the captions up or down. You can change the positioning. So there's some good features here, some good editing tools that you can use. And then if I go to B-roll, now B-roll can be good, but when the AI generates it, it's not that accurate. And it says here, all images, videos are provided by Pexels, which is pretty standard, and you don't get that many good videos. But of course, it's free, and I understand why they use that. But I would just not add any B-rolls, to be honest. But if you click on a word, it'd be nice actually if it would give you the option to add a B-roll for that word, although it's flashing here. So if I just click auto B-roll, and it will take a few seconds to create the B-rolls. And it says, congratulations, your auto B-rolls have been generated successfully. You can now preview the video. And let's just play the video and see what it's done. That allows you to create a collection of URLs. You can create multiple collections. You can create unlimited lists. And all you need to do is add in all your URL links here. You can share your link of URLs. Okay, so it's captured a couple of B-roll videos there. You don't have an option to trim down the B-roll because then it goes on for a bit too long. So I think this is definitely an area they can work on, and it seems a bit laggy in between, some of the content. And I don't know if that is just how it is when you're editing, but another option is you get to download the video. So let's download it, and it's just talking us through what is currently happening. Okay, so the video took a few seconds to download, and here it is. Today, we'll be reviewing a tool that you never knew you needed. The tool is called Multi. It's essentially a piece of software that allows you to create a collection of URLs. You can create multiple collections. You can create... Okay, so the good news is there was no lag in between scenes or through the video. This is just a part of the editor, and maybe, it's just a bit of lag when editing the video. Okay, now another feature which is highlighted as new is automations. It's not part of the free trial, so unfortunately I can't demonstrate it for you, but there are some videos here on how it works and why you might want to use it. And automations is basically what it is. So it says here you simply upload your video to YouTube under our Magic playlist. When you do upload a video, it has a Taja Magic playlist, and if you click that and then come back, everything is done for you. So it says here it would automatically sync your optimized content directly into your YouTube studio. So you basically don't have to do anything apart from add your video to the Magic Taja playlist, and then all your content will be optimized, such as the title, description, tags, and it will be put in your YouTube studio, and you can choose to change it or update it, or you can just upload it or publish it ready to go. Also, it has next video ideas, so receive weekly emails, and we did cover this earlier, which is another nice automated feature they have in Taja. And when you add videos to your YouTube channel, they will appear here under recent videos, and you can come in and optimize them. Going back to this video here that we did earlier, it says next step, generate cut downs. But I had this open in another tab and it still says 0%, so that is not working at the moment. And there are a few other features on Taja that I'll just run you through quickly. So you can link your social media accounts. So connect with YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and X. And these are the most popular ones, so that's really nice. At the moment, I don't have any connected. From what I've seen on YouTube videos, it's quite simple to do. There's also a option to add your team in. Then you have plans, which we'll come across in a minute, and the referral program, which you can make 50% commission. And then there is the roadmap. And if we just click roadmap, it's quite active and they have completed a lot over the last year already. Currently in progress is improved quality for shorts and clips, would be good. Level of automation or scheduling. These are all updates, and updates are good regardless of what they are. And there are a few plans. So the thumbnail generation, which some people are complaining about, isn't quite up to standards. But the good news is they are looking to improve that, and they're already at version 5. Also thumbnails for shorts, which would be quite cool. Video deletion. So there's some, very small but vital updates, and some of them are quite big too. And if we go to content calendar, you can see your scheduled post. And if I just click this button here, scheduled post, you'll be greeted with this pop-up window and it says select a project. And this is one that I did earlier, a video that I optimized. So if I click there, and it will give me a bunch of the shorts that it created. If I clicked on any of the short videos, another pop-up screen would appear, and now you can actually choose the date you want this shorts to be uploaded, the time, the platform you want it to be uploaded to. So you can choose multiple ones if you want. You can auto schedule. So this is really nice. And then if we go back, you'll see another tab which is text. And what this has done is it's taken into consideration the transcript of the video, and it's created a LinkedIn post for you. It's created an X thread, which is really nice. That's something that's very popular on X. And there aren't any other social media platforms, so perhaps they could add Facebook or another platform in the future. But what they have now is very handy to have. On the top right hand corner, you've got this little crown with a number next to it, and that basically tells you how many videos you have left to optimize, with all the other features such as adding tags, thumbnail generations, etc. So says here I have 5 left. I'm on a trial period, and that lasts 7 days. So any video you optimize, you can basically do all the stuff that I showed you earlier, and then that counts as one video or one credit, whatever you want to call it. So if you have a lot of videos that you create, it's not going to last you very long. So you definitely want to grab a higher tier. And if you click my little profile there, you can go to your account. It will tell you what your plan is on. You can apply a coupon if you have Appsumo lifetime deal. So anytime you want to optimize a YouTube video, you can either import from one of these tools here, or you can just add your link to this text box here, and Taja will optimize the video and then generate shorts for you. Okay, we talked about the pricing of Taja earlier, but I'll just run through some of these questions and how active the founder is. So this question was asked 2 days ago, and the founder responded on January the 10th. And for all these questions, he is very responsive, and that's great to see. Gives you some reassurance. And if we look at the reviews, it has 109, and there are a lot of 5 stars here. And this one's a 3-star, but these are all kind of features that Taja could work on or fixes, and they are doing that. And look at all these 5 stars, so a very recommended product. On the website, under the features, it gives you a whole page of what the features are about. So that's really nice. There's a wall of love, which is a nice touch. And if we go all the way down, we'll come to the pricing, and this is per month. So just for 6 videos is almost $50 a month, and 80 for 12, and $109.99 for unlimited. And when you think on Appsumo, it's 100, I think, $96, and you get all that. You're saving a lot of money there. And going down, there are a few frequently asked questions, so that's always good to get an idea as to what Taja is about. This is the wall of love, and in the footer area we've got some alternatives, so it will tell you about the differences. And obviously they're going to promote Taja a bit more, but Taja actually implements a lot of these features from different tools such as vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Okay, so that's the end of the review for Taja AI. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other video reviews, and drop a comment and let me know your thoughts on Taja. And if there's any other tools that you use that are similar or you think are better, I'll be really interested to know. One extra thing to note is that this thumbnail was created in Taja, and then I went into Canva and I just added some text overlay. So that's what you can achieve with Taja's thumbnail generator. Okay, and I'll see you on the next review.